wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life.
Hi there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci. In today's video, I'll be cleaning and organizing the garage. This is part 2 or zone 2 in the series of cleaning and organizing our garage. I'd love to take you along with me. Why not come along right now? Let's get started. Welcome again to our garage. Today I'll be cleaning and organizing the cleaning supplies here in the garage. Quick reminder, if you have not already done so, don't forget, press that subscribe button below and the bell icon, which is right beside the subscribe button, for weekly organizational videos. Let's start right here where we keep some of our golf bags and golf carts. And right here is where I have, right by the door, we have returns. Anything that needs to be returned to the store, I put in this little container here. And then we have the cleaning rags. And here I have shopping bags. And these are just ends of paper towels that instead of throwing them out, I just put them in here. We can use them for cleanups later on, so they're all kept here. So this is what this section looks like. This is the main cabinet that I'm going to be cleaning today. This is where we keep all our cleaning supplies. I'm going to take everything out from off these shelves, wipe them down, and then reorganize everything back as neat and as organized as I possibly can. These are 4 pieces that I've already cut to line the drawers. So we're back in the garage. These are the liners that I've just cut. I've only cut 4 of the liners for the shelves. We actually have 6 shelves on this side of the cabinet. I'm just going to line 4. Because the top shelf here, I'm just going to use for either paper towels or cleaning rags. So let's take a look at what I've taken out of from these shelves here. These are some of the items that I've taken off the shelf that I'll need to repack. I've kind of organized them in a little so I know what goes where. But as you can see, I have lots and lots of Ajax. I didn't even realize I had that many here. I have some cleaning products for the floor, Bona cleaning products on the polish. I have Wyman leather cleaner, and I have for the granite and stone as well, Wyman cleaner. I have Fabuloso, which I like to use in the kitchen. I have Windex, multi-purpose cleaners as well, and the pink stuff, and Mr. Clean, of course. So I'll repack these in just a few more minutes, and we'll take a look at what it looks like in the cabinets in just a few more seconds. I'm repacking the shelves now, and I'm just trying to decide if I should use these square baskets for some of the items, and the back stock items I put in the back of these baskets. So I'm just trying to place them and to figure it out. So I should have that completed in less than 5 or so minutes. It's just to pack the things in the basket and label them if necessary. As you can see, I didn't use the basket except for this one caddy that I have here on this shelf that has all the cleaning supplies, the working supply that is. Everything else is placed on the shelf, but nicely and neatly spaced out. You can actually see in the back of these shelves what's behind each item. It's mostly the granite cleaning and the Bona floor polish and cleaner, and the glass cleaners as well. So this is what this cabinet looks like. I have one more space to organize and then we are almost through. This is the other space in zone 2 where we have some more cleaning supplies, where the cleaning rags and some other cleaning products are kept on this little trolley here. Earlier you saw the cleaning rags, and this is a little basket that has the returns, and then there are the shopping bags folded in these 2 containers here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this series and that you'll be back next week, part 3 in this series. Until then, take care, God bless, and I'll see you next week. Bye, and good luck as usual.